Hey guys, this is Maria from private.social.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Story Editor to create Instagram stories. If you want to share unique stories posts on Instagram that will keep your audience coming back for more, then Story Editor app will help you with this task. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the Story Editor app. Click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. As you can see, the app provides you with a lot of various story templates. So choose the one you would like to use for your story. Now tap the plus icon in order to upload a photo. Keep in mind that you can edit your selected picture by applying filters. After that, hit the checkmark icon. What is more, you have an opportunity to add a text if you want. Once your story post is ready, press on the download icon in the top right corner. Choose the Instagram option from the pop-up menu. Tap Stories. Now the only thing left to do is to upload the story post. So click on the Send To button and share it on your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Story Editor to create Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at private.social.com.